Good morning, noble souls. Today, the thing that we are going to explore is bountiful nature. Suppose everyone has started sharing and caring for others. Just imagine what would the world could be, and that is possible. I have seen hundreds of people, those who are helping others selflessly. I call them people with golden heart or with bountiful nature. As nature is always bountiful, as John Keats wrote in his poem, A Thing of Beauty. Same way, someone who is living in the company of nature also becomes bountiful. And all great people of the world, they were bountiful by nature. Why America is most powerful and prosperous? Have you ever thought about? People there do not try to hoard their money, whether they are rich or poor. Whenever they go to restaurant, not only they pay in full with taxes, they also give extra money to someone who is working as a waiter or waitress. And that is a culture, not only in restaurants, those who are cab drivers, those who are coming for domestic help. Everywhere this culture is. But unlike when we see some people around us, when poor person is selling something and we say it is higher in price, some less you do. And they are bound to, because they are required to sell. And that happens that they start selling inferior things. And you get anything that you want coming in lower price, that is also inferior in quality. We talk about quality, but we are never really caring to pay in full. We always want to go for discounts. We always want freebies. And this is reality. All the businessmen, they know there is nothing like discount. You double the price and you give 80% discount. Even they even give 100% discount, they make money. Here the concept is, in whatever way, everyone a little bit, if we become bountiful. I am not talking of big donations to charity or NGOs. A little bit, you start with 1 rupee every day and you keep it separately, and whomsoever you want to give, just give and fill it. And you will find in your own heart you are becoming a better person, because You are selfish, but less selfish. Everyone is selfish, but that selfishness can be countered by magnanimity, by big heart. Just do it with a small step. Maybe the same step could be a giant one for this suffering mankind. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. May God bless us all.